Hello guys, we're going to start on systems of equations word problems today. So when you're doing this, I highly recommend you highlight. We're going to identify the different variables, maybe make a chart or set up some sort of diagram to help us to identify our facts. So Max and his father, Kirk, are comparing their ages. They know that sum of their ages is 52. So that's one of our equations. The sum of their ages is 52. And that Kirk is 7 years older than 4 times Max's age. So those are both two facts that we need, and they're getting us ready to set up the equation. If Max's age is represented by M and Kirk's age is represented by K, write a system of equations that describes the two relationships from the problem. So the sum of their ages is 52. What does sum mean? Add, good. So Kirk plus Max equals 52, or K plus M equals 52. Kirk is means equals 7 years older than 4 times Max's age. 7 years older than 4 times Max's age. So we have 4 times Max plus 7. So K equals 4M plus 7. So this one was pretty straightforward. Solve the system of equations to find both their ages. Because Kirk is already isolated, I highly recommend that you do substitution. We'll plug 4M plus 7 in for K. So we have 4M plus 7 plus M equals 52 if we do substitution. 5M equals 52 minus 7, so 45. Divide by 5, M is equal to 9. Find both their ages. So far we found Max, so now we have to find Kirk. Kirk is equal to 4 times Max, so 4 times 9 plus 7. So Kirk is equal to 36 plus 7, or Kirk is equal to 43. If I wanted to do a quick check, I would make sure that 9 plus 43, Max plus Kirk, is 52. 52 equals 52. So we did it right. Number 2 is a very popular question that you'll see if we have a Regents exam. Shayna bought sodas and popcorn for the movies. Sodas cost $3 each and popcorn cost $4 per bag. Shayna bought 7 things from the concession, all either sodas or bags of popcorns. Shayna spent a total of $26. All right, so sodas are $3, popcorn is $4. She bought 7 things and she spent $26. Sodas are S, popcorns are B. We have to use the variables to tell us. We have 2 types of equations that we're going to do with these. So we'll have a price times quantity plus price times quantity, which we did back in chapter 2, equals total money. And then we have one for quantity plus quantity equals total items. So let's go through what we have. We know the cost of a soda is $3. The cost of a popcorn is $4. If you want to make a chart and organize the information, we have soda and popcorn. We have to use 2 variables because they told us to. Soda is S, popcorn is B. I'll put those over here actually. The prices, the price, that's the quantity. The price is $3 for a soda, $4 for a popcorn. So our price quantity will be 3 times S plus 4 times B. Equals how much money, total money? Good, $26. How many items did we buy? We bought 7. So S plus B equals 7. That's the other equation. It's up to you how you want to solve it. Maybe you want to get S or B alone and plug into the equation and do substitution, or maybe you want to do the addition method. I'll show the addition method. I'll do substitution. minus B, S equals 7 minus B, plug it in. So we're solving for B, 21 minus 3B plus 4B equals 26. B equals 5. If we have 5 bags of popcorn, we will have 2 sodas. S plus 5 equals 7. S equals 2. Quick check. If soda is 2 and popcorn is 5, for my check, I'm doing 3 times 2 plus 4 times 5 needs to be 26. So 26 equals 26 is correct. A coin bank contains only nickels, dimes, and quarters. There are 19 coins in the bank. If there are twice as many dimes as quarters, all right, let's try this one. So this time I'm definitely gonna make a chart. I have nickels, dimes, and quarters. What is the price of a nickel? 0.05, good. The price of a dime, 10 cents. The price of a quarter, 25. There are 19 coins in the bank. The value is $2. We're gonna need that fact. There are twice as many nickels as dimes. Twice as many nickels as dimes. We're comparing to dimes. That's gonna be my X. Twice as many nickels is 2X. They didn't say anything about quarters, so I'm gonna call it Y. So our price quantity, if we look over here, we have 2 things. We have 1 for price quantity and 1 for total items. We know how many items we have. We have 19 coins. We know our total money, $2. So nickels plus dimes plus quarters equals 19 is 1. PQ plus PQ plus PQ equals $2, or the total money is the other. So I'm going to plug in 2X plus X plus Y equals 19. 3X plus Y equals 19. On this one, I have 0.05 times 2X plus 0.1 times X plus 0.25 times Y equals $2. I'll simplify this down. 0.1X plus 0.1X plus 0.25Y equals $2. 0.2X plus 0.25Y equals $2. I'm going to choose to get this Y alone. So Y equals 19. Remember, we moved the 3X over by subtracting. No magic math here. Y equals 19 minus 3X. Substitute that in for the other Y. So I'm going to put this in for this Y. So I get 0.2X plus 0.25 times 19 minus 3X equals 2. Now I have the ability to solve for X. Remember, our answer should be a whole number. So do the math, solve for X, solve for Y. So when you get X, so I would hit pause, finish the math on finding X. You should get X equals 5. Plug that in to find Y. We should get Y equals 4. Find the number of each coin means that you have to fill in the answer box here for each coin. How many nickels, how many dimes, how many quarters, or you can write it in a sentence. So many nickels, so many dimes, so many quarters. Lily and Rosie are sisters. The sum of their ages is 19, and the positive difference of their ages is 9. Set up a system of equations involving Lily's age L and Rosie's age R, assuming Lily is older, the older child. So we know that the sum of their ages is 19. So what does that equation look like? good. L plus R equals 19. Lily's older. Difference means to subtract. So we have Lily minus Rosie equals 9. So you're going to solve that one. That one will work nicely with substitution or addition. So try it out. Check your answers. Make sure you're getting Lily to be 14, Rosie to be 5. So you're solving that. Make sure you're showing the math. If you're not showing the math, you don't get your full participation grade. Then I'll do one more for you. Samantha went to a concession stand and bought 3 pretzels and 4 sodas and paid a total of $11.25. 3 pretzels, 4 sodas, $11.25. Rachel went to the same stand and bought 5 pretzels and 2 sodas and paid $8.25. Could the pretzels be $1.75 and sodas $1.50? Show your work. Find the cost of a pretzel and a soda. So let's make variables first. So what do we want to call pretzels? I'm going to go with P and S. So a pretzel will be P, a soda will be S. 3 pretzels, 4 sodas for $11.25. So if I'm doing PQ plus PQ equals total, 3 pretzels plus 4 sodas is $11.25. When Rachel went to the same stand, she bought 5 pretzels and 2 sodas for $8.25. So could the pretzels be $1.75 and sodas $1.50? Let's see. So 3 times $1.75 plus 4 times $1.50, does it equal $11.25? This is for Samantha. Let's check Rachel. Rachel, she bought 5 pretzels, so 5 times $1.75 plus 2 times $1.50 is at $8.25. So check in your calculator. Is 3 times $1.75 plus 4 times $1.50 equal to $11.25? It is. So that one works. So now we have to check Rachel. 5 times $1.75 plus 2 times $1.50 is $11.75. So that does not equal $8.25. So no, they could not be those prices. The prices are wrong. So now we've set up the 2 equations. It's up to you how you want to solve it. Maybe I would try addition method if you like that way. So we have 3P plus 4S equals $11.25. I chose to get rid of the S's by multiplying by a -2. So I've remember distribute it to all the pieces. So -1650. We can't get a negative value, but because we're dividing a negative with a negative, it will work out. So then I'm going to divide by a -7. Hopefully it divides nicely and makes real money. $5.25 divided by 7 is at P equals 75 cents. So then we'll go back and we'll find S. So I can go to an original equation, 3 times 75 cents plus 4S equals 11.25. 3 times 75 cents is 2.25. So I have 4S equals 9. S equals $2.25. If Leah went to the same concession stand and bought 2 sodas, how many pretzels could she need to buy? So she spent the same amount on both. So let's figure out what 2 sodas cost. 2 sodas equals 2 times 2.25. So $4.50. We want to know how many pretzels she can buy. So pretzels are 75 cents times P to equal the same amount. So 450 divided by 75 cents. So she could buy 6 pretzels. So she should buy 6 pretzels. Right, so these are the main types of word problems you're going to come across. There's a whole bunch for you to practice here. When you're doing a perimeter and area or a perimeter, you want to draw a picture. So if you're doing 6, you're drawing a picture. Remember, perimeter is the distance around. You're going to pick up 5 of these. So pick any 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 here. Pick any 5 to solve. Thank you so much. Ask for help if you need it. Please call. Make sure all your notes are filled in so you get full credit on your participation. Have an awesome day.